Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to show you our Ella model, handcrafted and lovingly made in our workshops and designed to give you the ultimate level of comfort and pure sleep indulgence for an exceptional price. This bed is part of our Orthopaedic handcrafted range, designed for those of us wanting that firmer, supportive feel. This 10-inch deep firmer feel mattress has our unique posture zone springs with an additional firmer mattress edge. These give an excellent spinal support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be gently supported but still maintaining a firmer feel. Hypoallergenic fillings are layered onto the spring unit to give a supple, firmer feel. We then cover the fillings in our soft knitted Coolmax fabric. This offers perfect temperature regulation, helping to reduce overheating for a comfortably cooler night's sleep. The breathable surface ensures a fresh and hygienic night's sleep and is anti-bedbug resistant. Mattress borders are stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh.